Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. The Supreme Court on Wednesday ordered that the status quo be maintained at Shambhu border near Ambala, where farmers have been camping since February 13. A bench of Justices Suryakant, Pankaj Datta and Ujjal Bhuyan said that it proposes to constitute an independent committee comprising of eminent persons who can reach out to farmers and other stakeholders in order to find out viable solution to their demands that can be fair, just and in the interest of everyone. The bench asked the Punjab and Haryana governments to suggest some names of members in the committee, or else it can find out some suitable person from the state itself. Supreme Court asked both the states to suggest the names within a week. Let appropriate instructions be taken within a week. Till then, let parties maintain status quo at the site to prevent flaring up of the situation at the Shambhu border. The bench stated in its order. The top court also asked Punjab and Haryana to take steps for the removal of barricades in the phased manner at Shambhu border so that no inconvenience is caused to the public at large. The Supreme Court was hearing an appeal against the July 10 Punjab and Haryana High Court order by which it had directed it to open the highway and clear the barricading within 7 days. During the hearing, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for Haryana government, opposed the opening of borders, saying it will create the law and order problem. Right now, there are armored tanks at Shambhu border, said Solicitor General. He further mentioned that as a welfare state, we cannot afford any untoward incident that are prohibited on a national highway. JCB tanks, trolleys are converted into virtual war tanks. Please see the photos. I am saying this with a sense of responsibility, he said. The bench then told Solicitor General that there are some trust deficit and as a state you need to take some initiative to reach out the farmers. Mehta replied that the state was ready to talk. To this, Justice Kant said, "You are sending your ministers. Why do you not think of neutral empire? Some confidence needs to be there. This is a case of trust deficit. Or we will think of suggesting some persons having neutral take on it." The bench then said it was proposing to constitute some independent committee. The bench also observed that it is more than a year now that national capital highway can't be blocked in such a manner. In February, the Haryana government had set up barricades on the Ambala-New Delhi National Highway. Farmer bodies announced that farmers would march to Delhi in support of various demands, including a legal guarantee of minimum spot price, the MSP for crops. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.